This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread patties. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of sugar for a touch of sweetness. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter ready. These basic items are all you need for delicious patties. Now let's get our batter ready. In a large bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. This ensures even distribution of leavening. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter. Then, pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir just until everything is moistened. Overmixing can make your patties tough, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. It's time to cook our delicious cornbread patties. Heat a lightly oiled skillet or griddle over medium heat. A cast iron skillet works wonderfully for a crispy exterior. Once hot, drop about 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter for each patty onto the cooking surface. Cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through in the center. Adjust heat as needed to prevent burning. Your easy cornbread patties are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, straight from the skillet, for the most delightful experience. They are fantastic on their own, but you can elevate them with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or a spoonful of your favorite jam. These versatile patties also make an excellent side dish for hearty meals like chili, various soups, or classic fried chicken. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.